There we go. Let's see if I can do it. I'm pretty sure this time I'm gonna flip. Try to keep this GoPro on. Whew, almost fell. Mullet. Woo! Shit. Woo! That was a big wave. There we go. See if I can get in this bit. Oh, bitch. Got me a jellyfish. Yeah, that kind of burns. Got me a jellyfish. Legs. Yep. So right when I fell off the breaker, got me a jellyfish. Woo! It does sting pretty bad. Not very good. So, we'll see if I can neutralize it.